If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Samsung Galaxy S26, here's what you can do. So first of all, on Samsung Galaxy S26, you should be able to find an app that is called Smart Switch. It is located in the Samsung folder that you can find in the app drawer. This is an app that we can use in order to transfer data. So over here, we're gonna tap on continue. We need to grant all the necessary permissions, and there we go. Of course, we also need exactly the same app on our old phone. So if your old phone is a Samsung smartphone, then most likely you can find exactly the same app in there as well. In case you have like any other Android, then in this case you need to go to the Play Store and you will need to simply search for the Smart Switch made by Samsung. There we go. So this is of course the app that we are looking for, and you should also be able to find the same app in the App Store in case you have an iPhone. So we're gonna open the same app over here. Also, we need to grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. And here on Samsung Galaxy S26, we're gonna select that we want to receive on this phone. And we're gonna choose that our old device is, well, either Android or iPhone. So in my case, it is another Android, so I'm gonna choose Galaxy/Android. You have two options. You can, of course, wirelessly connect both devices together, or you can use a USB cable if you have one that fits both devices. In my case, I'm gonna do this wirelessly. Now over here, we can connect by scanning the QR code. So in this case, we're gonna choose that we want to send from this phone, and then we're gonna choose wireless. And now we can scan the QR code. So let's do this. There we go. It should be pretty easy. And after that, both devices should connect rather quickly. There we go. Now over here, we can decide what we want to transfer. So of course, we can transfer everything that you have on your phone. In the case of an iPhone, then of course you cannot really transfer everything. For example, you cannot transfer apps because apps on iOS are built in a slightly different way than on Android. So apps cannot be really transferred, and you have to download them manually from the Google Play Store, for example. Over here, we can also tap on Custom in case you want to decide what exactly you want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna choose some images and then videos. And once you are ready, we should be able to tap on the transfer and then just wait for the transfer to be done. Of course, keep in mind that the more data you have, the longer it will take to actually transfer everything. And yeah, once it is ready, you should be able to tap on and done on both devices, or next over here and then done. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.